Yep, she hears people outside and she's like, what? We have one next door that's a little...
I think his eye hurts. Can I put the top of you?
Oh my gosh! What is that cat doing? Oh, that cat! I want my tail.
Wow.
Oh, this little one here.
You can pet this
Boy, he's
one.
a beautiful cat.
Mom, look at this one in the chair. Mom, look at the one in the chair.
He's like, nope, I'm not here. Leave me alone. Oh, he's handsome. The other one? Hi, kitty. His ears are back. He might not like little ones. Oh, he's growling.
It's Jabba. He is a big boy.
Look at that, Carolyn.
He is a little porker.
Look at this one right here. Look at that cute cat.
Cool.
This one?
Look at the cute cat right here.
That one outside.
Oh my gosh!
He was not.
How did that cat jump up there?
So he thinks he's the boss.
There's an angel.
Mm-hmm.
No! Who's falling off you? Who's gonna fall? No?
She's still young. She's only a year old.
Who's you?
It's crazy cat. It's crazy
Lana's over there playing sugar.
That?
Look, the car's parked up.
On the cement.
That park job? Check it out.
That is weird. And that one over there too. Get open! Yay!
Thank you.
Let's go. I feel like that's gonna take a long
And man, look. What's in your shoe, man?
Can you give me my shoe on?
What's in your shoe? What is it? What is it? Don't put your dirty shoe on my face.
No, it's 9. 0. Yeah, I think this video, when I see it, it's going to remind me that I'm going to ask you, can I color you? What? I got mine. I do it to assist. Ken, come here. Come here, Ken. I dare you to wear these shoes. I'm getting you to wear these shoes. But you're not taking them off because we're married. Don't take them off. I'm going to get my nails done. Watch over the kids, okay, Ken? Okay, Ken? Yeah. Watch over the kids. I'm going to go get my nails done. Ugh. That took long, Ken. Now I'm going to miss it. Ken's head is squishy.
Is it a squishy?
Yeah. Ugh. I'm not going to get my nails done, Ken. I'm getting my feet done, I mean. I'm laying them down. Someone can just refresh me, huh? Look. Get out of here. That's my friend. Who? Huh. No, she's married with you, isn't she? So get away, because she's doing her nails. No. I'll take care of that, Barbie. Get away. No. Yeah. I'll call you when you can come and see my nails, okay, Ken? No. Yeah? No. Yeah, I will. It's like that. You have a heel. So you can walk. Walking chew, walking chew, walking chew, walking chew. And me see flash. He'll probably attack you. He might attack you. I don't know if he's gonna run away or attack you. He likes to.
Just hanging out, waiting on Landon. He said give him a minute. He's got things to do.
Can I help him? I'm making a big potion. You're making a big potion.
Let me see your hands.
Yeah. Start doing it.
Do you like playing in the dirt?
Yeah.
That was a quick yes. As you can see, Hannah and Landon are making a special potion. What's your
That's a worm.
Oh, you found a worm? What's your potion called, Hannah?
It's called Dirt Frog Burp.
Wait, I gotta make sure we get that one. What is it called?
Dirt Frog Burp.
That's awesome. Dirt frog burp. I like it. It's very creative. You putting that in the potion?
Yeah.
Okay, here, let me show you how to clean your hands off. Look, put it down here. You wipe it like this, wipe it like that. Turn your hand over.
Put a stick in there.